every single trick you can do this with. You're gonna have nothing but wins. All right guys, today I wanna talk to you about muscle memory and skateboarding. What does muscle memory have to do with skateboarding? Why is it important? And how does it work? I'm gonna use a prime example here. As many of you know, I got my kickflips on lock, but my heel flips totally suck. And it sucks, they suck because I never do them. There was a period in time where I was going every day for a small amount of time, which I highly recommend anyone who's trying to progress in their skateboarding do. And every day I would force myself to do a heel flip. And I want to use that word carefully, force. I didn't really want to do it, I made myself do it. And by the end of that, I was landing consistently every single heel flip no matter what. So kickflip, I just love kickflips. So I go skate every day. I'm gonna do a kickflip no matter what. No matter what I'm kickflipping. I'll show you. Kickflip. Now I'm gonna do it without looking at the board. I'm gonna look at the camera. I still can kickflip because the muscle memory is there. The muscle memory is so baked into my feet. The way my foot flicks, I know exactly where I'm gonna go. I know the feeling. I know when I pop, I'm going up like that. On heel flip, I just don't know it so well. Even though I've landed hundreds, if not thousands of heel flips in my life, I've landed hundreds of thousands of kick flips. Huge difference in muscle memory. Huge. So how do we build this up? This is why in skateboarding when I teach it, this is why I have all the practice steps. This is why I have you do all these motions. It's muscle memory. You're literally building your muscle memory so that when you get ready to put this step and this step together, you can get the board to spin. It's just muscle memory, right? But what's interesting is then when I go out to skate, I don't myself do all these steps. I should though. You know, come to think of it, I really should. And then I should go like this, and I should get that down. This is how I would literally teach a heel flip. And now I'm gonna flick it, keep my front foot above the board, and land on top. I can do that a bunch of times until I get that muscle memory so dialed in that I can really feel it. Okay, now dialed in, maybe not like completely, but now we're gonna just land, right? We're gonna try and land anyways. Bodied. So when my lower back is already sore, it's tight like this. Ah! Oh, come on. Now I'm just getting my timing totally off. So gotta have my timing correct as well. From the pop to the flick, I always try and flick too early like that and then I miss it. I need to go similar to ollie, get that flick going out there late style. Right. Okay, so today's challenge and what I'm gonna work on to build my muscle memory is 10 heel flips in a row. And I'm gonna force myself. So pop here, flick here, and the pop here in that back tail makes this rail come up, which allows me to hit it with my heel and allows it to spin better, okay? Woo-wee! It is way too hot out here. What if I get this first try? Is it still a challenge? He's looking at me like, there's no way you're getting it first try. Stop lying to yourself. You're lying to me and yourself. Muscle memory, muscle memory. 1, 2. No! Dude, this might take me literally an eternity to get 10 in a row. No, it won't. The other thing I want to point out, you do have to believe in yourself. That's a big part of skateboarding. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have done it 5, not 10. 5? 5? Go. Hanging on by a thread? By a literal thread, you guys. 6? Even by more of a thread than the 5. I'm running in on a little bit of fatigue, I'm not gonna lie to you. 7, 8, 9, there. I've never been so scared for my life of any trick to miss this one right here. I'm not gonna miss this. 10. Live to win. I almost missed it. Okay, one thing I wanna point out, the muscle memory is vital. This is a drill that you guys can do to make yourself get better, make yourself progress, 10 in a row. And if you don't land 10, go back to the beginning and do it again. But I wanna share a few things with you. My big toe right here, I can feel the rail, the concave right there, right on the crease of my big toe. And I got into this motion where I pop, then I flick a little bit later than normal, and then I was allowing the board to spin underneath me, catch it with my back foot and land. You just get into a rhythm, and once you find one thing that works, you use it. If you're not landing it and it's not working, you have to change what you're doing. One thing I can tell you, it's really, really helpful. Put your phone down and video yourself and watch a good heel flip, watch your video, analyze it, and see what's the direction of your knee, your foot, how does it look, how are we spinning it. So we did 10, now we're gonna keep going to see how many we can do. I hope it's not 10 and I missed number 11. It's amazing that I do so much talking and then I'm winded. It's like 5 billion degrees on the surface of the sun here, winded. And I'm tired, I'm old, guys, I'm getting old. All the excuses in the world, knock on wood. Okay, so I'm gonna work on the same exact foot position, same feeling, same motion. And you only get that feeling through many attempts and muscle memory. Front foot there, crease of the big toe, back foot in the back tail, pop straight down, flick into the rail, we got it. Flicking like in that direction. 10. I literally knew that was gonna happen. It was all on the line. I was like, I'm gonna take this to 20. And then I missed number 11. Here's the other thing I'm gonna point out for your skate session. Never end on that. Even though I did 10 in a row and I went, okay, that's great, it's a win. And then I missed one, I'm not gonna end there. I have to land a good one. Then I will end. There we go, okay. This muscle memory technique works for all tricks. Ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, 360 flip, 540 flip, dolphin flip. Every single trick you can do this with. Learning how to skateboard is yourself, putting yourself out there. It is important that you understand which trick to progress, because if you jump from here to up here, you're just gonna lose and have loses the whole time. But if you progress evenly and nicely in the correct order, you're gonna have nothing but wins. Every day you're gonna go out, you're gonna progress more, you're gonna do better, you're gonna feel better, it's gonna be nothing but wins. So really, really, really do that. Take that to heart. I hope this video helped you. Do this method with any single trick you're working on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.